The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hello, how are you today? I'm Coach EmRatThich. How many types of WTT tournaments are there? Here are the structure of World Table Tennis WTT tournaments introduced in 2021 to replace the old ITTF World Tour. Here's a breakdown of the 5 levels of tournaments under the WTT structure. 1. Grand Smash. The Grand Smash events are the highest tier in WTT, similar to Grand Slam tournaments in tennis. These tournaments occur 4 times a year and feature the top 64 players in singles, split into 58 automatic qualifiers and 6 additional spots, 3 wildcards and 3 host country players. The tournament is held over 10 days on a single table, allowing fans to focus on each high-stakes match. Two, WTT Champions. WTT Champions tournaments are the next level with 8 events annually, 4 for men and 4 for women. Each tournament includes the 32 highest ranked players, creating a highly competitive field. These events showcase elite players vying for points and recognition within the WTT ranking system. Three, WTT Star Contenders. There are 6 WTT Star Contenders tournaments throughout the year. Each tournament brings together 48 players per gender for singles and includes 16 doubles teams, men's, women's, and mixed. This level gives opportunities to emerging stars and those just below the elite level to compete and earn points. 4. WTT Contenders. With 14 tournaments per year, WTT Contenders is the entry level for players aiming to advance in the WTT structure. It provides competitive opportunities for players who may not yet qualify for higher level tournaments, helping them to gain experience and climb the rankings. 5. WTT Cup Finals. The WTT Cup Finals is the rebranded version of the former World Cup. The event gathers the top 16 players from 5 continents and the top 8 doubles pairs for each gender. Unlike previous formats, the WTT Cup Finals feature separate dates and locations for men's and women's tournaments, creating dedicated spaces to celebrate the highest achievements in singles and doubles. This new format aims to modernize and energize the global table tennis calendar, making tournaments more appealing to fans and providing a clear path for players across all competitive levels. For more details, you can visit the official WTT website or view the complete WTT tournament calendar.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.